Hello guys, today I'm going to go over Excel, still part of continuing last video, which was about Word in Office.com. So let's click on it. So Excel, this brings up all the different options. I'm seeing whatever you like to select. You can select a new blank workbook. You can get a tool. Welcome to Excel, your evergreen calendar, whatever you need. So let's go take a tool. This will open Excel workbook. So you can see here, so you can scroll down, you can add numbers like a champ, it says there. You can do pretty much anything that you'll do in a normal workbook on your desktop. You can do that online. Use tables for lists, create a chart quickly, explore more charts, work with people with the same file by pressing the share button over here. Share, copy link. It has insert, you can click on this thing over here and it'll expand this section. Then you can go and draw. This is all you can do. Like select draw. You can select. There's so much you can do like with this. Draw with touch, page layout, formulas. You can add formulas online as well. Data view. You can change the views. You can freeze pans. Help if you needed help with anything. Again, same thing over here. Info. You can open it up in the desktop app. Version history. Reset changes pan. Download a copy. You can print this document, share it, and you have options, different regional options that you want to select. So that's Excel and Office 365. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back shortly with another one. Thank you. Bye.